In this video, we are going to talk about 11 habits of highly successful Lean Six Sigma professionals. The first habit is continuous learning. In continuous learning, Lean Six Sigma is a field wherein the developments are happening over a period of time. That means there are new processes coming in, new type of problems surfacing. So as a professional, we should be committed to ongoing learning and development. Take for instance, now digitization has come into the most of the organizations. So continuous learning will help the professional to be successful in his trade. The second is data driven decision making. In God we trust, rest all should bring the data. That is the fundamental thinking behind Lean Six Sigma professionals who are highly successful. All decisions are made based on data, data, and data. Third important habit is strong analytical skills. Whether it is a statistical skills, it's a mathematical skill, the ability to understand the data, ability to analyze the data, and from the data, how you can convert it into information is the ability which makes a Lean Six Sigma professional highly successful. Attention to detail. In order to optimize a process, it's not just look at it from a surface level. Rather, look at it from intricacies. Look at it the details in terms of identification of waste, in terms of identification of inconsistency, and look at it from even from a human perspective, whether a professional is overburdened. The next habit of a highly successful Lean Six Sigma professional is goal orientation. The goal, what you keep it, has to be kept in the mind, and then all the actions taken in order to fulfill the goals. The goals should be clear, measurable, and it should be used to improve the product and processes. The next one is effective communication. A Lean Six Sigma professional has to deal from shop floor workers to the top management. So the communication should be crisp, should be clear, and it should be effective to meet the goals of the organization. The next one is team leadership. We often, as a Lean Six Sigma professional, you have to lead cross-functional teams. So how he leads the team to bind together in order to meet the goals of the organization in terms of operational excellence is what distinguishes a good Lean Six Sigma professional from not so good one. And the last one is problem solving. In terms of problem solving, the problems of the modern day are not linear, that you do A, B, C, D and the problem gets solved. It calls for multi-dimensional thinking. Hence, problem solving is one of the most important facets or behaviors of a Lean Six Sigma professional. The next habit is customer focus. All the solutions which a Lean Six Sigma professional derives or proposes should keep the customer in mind. Keeping the customer in mind, keeping the customer complaint in mind, you work on in order to solve the problems in the processes or the problems in the systems. So hence, customer focus is one of the behavior which makes a Lean Six Sigma professional highly successful. The next one is change management. They need to drive in change. Some processes require a radical change in the way work is being carried out. Take for instance, sometimes for 20 years, a work is carried in a particular sequence. It has to be changed. So at that time, adapt change management tactics, which a Lean Six Sigma professional has at its disposal, will make him highly successful. The next one is commitment to results. And this is the 11th habit of a successful Lean Six Sigma professional. Commitment to results in the sense like look at the KPIs, not only look at it from an operational perspective, look at it from an economic perspective, look at it from an environmental perspective, a social perspective, and also look at whether it has any governance implications. So a good Lean Six Sigma professional will have all these 11 habits.